he ran the fucking Philadelphia Marathon.
Yeah. You got me?
He's a good brother.
Dude, are those gloves attached to your bike?
Someone who cares about you.
We're in Philly. The only thing you can do in Philly is get a vegan cheesesteak. So we're gonna throw away this trash we got from the food hole and skate our way the 3 miles over to the vegan tree. Let's go. How does a T-Rex wipe its butt? Not with those little things. Still on the hunt for vegan cheesesteak.
And if we do something small every day, we get big change. Where's my music guy? I don't want to screw up his...
Something amazing happened on Wednesday, November 9th. Across this country, people gathered like we're gathered here today to express protest for an election that was fueled by bigotry and hate. That though we were shaken to our core, we never fell to our knees. And it reminded me of what Dr. Martin Luther King said. He said that we must accept finite disappointment without giving up infinite hope. And I stand here today with a heart full of hope and a heart full of optimism. And it's not because of an incoming administration, it's far from that, but it's because all of you have gathered here today. And I'm hopeful because I know that we're all going to stand with our brothers and sisters of different races, genders, religions, sexual orientations, and identities. And we're going to stand in solidarity against hate and bigotry. I remain hopeful because in the words of Cornel West, none of us will forget that justice is what love looks like in public.
As we can see, the cops are in full force for this mass of people in not so silent but protest. Tons of them. Glad you guys got your helmets on today. Safety first as always. Dude, are those gloves attached to your bike? That's legit. That's cold gear right there. Hey man. Yeah. Still looking for that vegan Philly cheesesteak. place. Fucking vegan cheesesteak. Let's go. Got me a cheesesteak. Vegan, that is. Now I just gotta find me a stoop to sit on. Looks like I might have a good one right here. This could be somebody's stoop, but hopefully they just don't come down and kick me off they stoop. Oh gosh. I don't know about that. Don't know how I feel about that. Oh. Alright, I'm off the stoop. That vegan cheesesteak ain't that great.
Wanna be free, wanna be free, go and be free.